Hi, my name is Mike. In this video I'm going to be teaching you a trick called Scuzzlebutt. It was named by Andy Jacko after I asked people for suggestions, and I think it's a pretty cool looking trick. I hope you enjoy it. This is what it looks like. So that is what the trick looks like. As you can see, it's pretty complex. It's a very technical trick. It uses chopsticks and hops and you swoop in with your hands to catch the yo-yo on the string. So it'll take a little while for you to figure out. Just take your time with it and I'm pretty sure you'll get it down. So the trick starts out with a 1.5 mount, like so. You put the thumb of your free hand on top of the string that's coming across the top of both your index fingers. From there you swing the yo-yo up and over the index finger of your throw hand and allow the string to wrap around the thumb of your free hand, like that. You then mount the yo-yo up on the string. You can basically continue the motion and you mount the yo-yo up on the string that is wrapped around the index finger of your throw hand. From here, you're going to dismount the yo-yo off of this string over the top of the index finger of your throw hand. And then at the same time, you continue the swinging motion of the yo-yo. You let it go past your free hand and then up and over your thumb again. You land it on the string, basically leaving you with the halfway point of this 1.5 mount. So then you pop the yo-yo up into the string that is going across the top of the index finger of your throw hand, and that'll leave you with a 1.5 mount. You dismount the 1.5 mount, pinch the string that's going over the top of your index finger, and allow the yo-yo to swing over the top and land onto that string. From this point, you swing the yo-yo over the top of your index finger again. You can unpinch it at that point. You swing the yo-yo towards your free hand, and then you let it go above your free hand. At the same time, you're placing your thumb across the top of the string that's going over the index finger of your free hand. So while the yo-yo swings up over here, you're going to try and land the yo-yo on this string right here. You got your 1.5 mount, dismount, remount on the other side, dismount again, swing the yo-yo towards your free hand, allow it to go above your free hand, and then you try and get that segment of string underneath the yo-yo. From this point, you let the thumb of your free hand drop the string, and then you turn your hand over, leaving your index finger underneath the string, but putting your thumb back into the string. You pop the yo-yo up, and while the yo-yo is up in the air, you use this new segment of string you've created to catch the yo-yo, leaving you in this formation. Once the yo-yo is mounted up here, swing the yo-yo off towards the throw hand side of your body. You basically pop it out of that mount, and you let the string drape across the thumb of your free hand. Then you swing the yo-yo back towards your free hand side of your body and land it up on the string that's draped across your thumb like a miniature trapeze. So you mount it up across your thumb like a miniature trapeze. From there, all you're going to do is basically throw the yo-yo over towards the free hand side of your body and drop it off of your thumb. Leave your index finger wrapped around. The yo-yo will swing over and down like you've seen so far. Let it swing back up towards your free hand. Allow it to pass over the top of your free hand, leaving you with the trapeze. And that's the trick. That is called Scuzzlebutt. I wish you luck in learning it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.